How to change your account, country or region in Shein application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide in how you can change your region in Shein application or your account on Shein app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, all you have to do is you'll have to open up your Shein application and you should get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in here, you can see there it's a bit congested and you can see various different options all over the screen, and at the bottom of your screen you can see 5 different options, and that is shop, category, new, cart and me. Now all you have to do is you'll have to tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you do so, you can see here at the top right corner you'll get 3 different options: the calendar icon, the QR code icon or the scanner icon, and the gear icon or the settings icon. Simply tap on the gear or the settings icon there that you can find at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so, here you can see the address book, you can see manage my account, and under it you can see location. You can simply tap on the location option here and you can switch to your location, any location that you want. You can search it up or you can simply scroll down below, and you can simply, once you head into that, you want to simply select the country that you want to change to, and once you tap on it, your location will be changed. So this way you can change your location in Shein application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.